Welcome back to BTR Customs. Today we have quite the interesting project going on. So we got really bored and all my friends went back to college, so what better thing to do than to build a backyard snowboarding park? And this is going to be a 3-part series.
Stop what you're doing, already paused the video, subscribe to see us make snow and shred this thing.
Today we're going to be working on a lot of just the building and stuff like that, like Home Depot trips and all that good stuff. But I have a rail in the backyard already. Today we're going to build a box. Tomorrow night, we're gonna start making snow. The natural snowfall Thursday is gonna be very effective. Quit laughing at me. This is gonna be fun. We haven't made a video in a long time. Like 50 degrees right now, but it's supposed to drop down to the 20s this weekend, so it's gonna be perfect, and we get some natural snow. Park's gonna be awesome. My backyard's not that big, but we're gonna have a box, a rail, and just a jump just to send it. So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to do it, and basically it's just gonna be watching me make it. So, and for my hometown buddies, if you wanna come shred, come shred. Board here I found in the garage, and I think we're gonna cut this in half to make a nice box. And it's kind of skinny, but when I saw it, I was like, this is gonna be the perfect box. So we're gonna trim it down, and I think I want it to be elevated a little bit, so there's kind of a jump to it, like some of the peak and peak boxes that we've ridden. So let's get started. So as of yesterday, I can't find the tape measure. I need to clean the garage up a bit. So we're just gonna send it and get a relative box size. Do not attempt anything seen in this video at your own home, because it's real sus. So we got our board. See, like, it's a little uneven, but we can shape that up. Good enough. I seen it all. Oh my god. Look fixed, boys. Don't worry. So we got it on all 4 of its legs, and we just cut some of the side pieces. Now it's very uneven and very ghetto, but it's my backyard. You do whatever you want in your backyard. I'm the carpenter. Get this all attached up and find a good place to put it. Everything laying out. It's looking pretty good right now. It's obviously a little sketch, but everything we build down here is probably way too sketchy. But it's gonna be nice when I get the snow down, some snow on it, and get it secured into the ground out there. So let's go do it. You wanna have it out there for when it snows. You get the most snow on it, around it. That rail's in the ground out there. You might see the little jump in the front of it. That's for when the snow lands. I can build right on top of that and make it real easy. But yeah, that rail is in the ground. So this is what I finally came up with. You're gonna bomb down the hill. And for most of your information, the hill up there, the apartments up top, the plows push all the snow right into my backyard. So that becomes a huge hill. It's big enough right now to grind all this, but it covers the hill automatically because the plows push all that snow down for me. And if I get it while it's fresh, I can groom it and even bring it down almost to the jumps. But I'm gonna have to make some snow and hope Mother Nature does a little cooperation. But this is what it looks like so far. Stay tuned for part 2. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick. You're gonna have to hit the brakes pretty quick, but yeah, it's gonna be a fun little park for us to save some money and not go to peak and peak every day like we would if we didn't have this.